Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Vanguard 1099B reconciliation checklist, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Vanguard 1099B reconciliation checklist, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.vanguard.com and press enter. Once the Vanguard homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the fields provided. After filling in your credentials, click on the Login button. Once you are logged into your account, navigate to the Accounts and Statements section. Look for the Tax Documents option and click on it. In this section, you will see various tax-related documents available for download. Search for the 1099B reconciliation checklist among the listed documents. Once you find the checklist, click on the link to open it. The document will typically open in a new tab or window. Check if the checklist is in PDF format for easier access. If it is in PDF format, look for the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow. Click on the download icon to save the checklist to your computer. Choose a location on your device where you would like to save the file. After selecting the location, click Save to complete the download. Navigate to the folder where you saved the checklist to access it. Open the file to review the contents of the 1099B reconciliation checklist. Make sure to have the necessary documents on hand to help with the reconciliation process. If you have any trouble downloading the checklist, check for any pop-up blockers in your browser settings. You can also try refreshing the page or clearing your browser cache if necessary. Following these steps will ensure you have the Vanguard 1099B reconciliation checklist ready for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.